I am from Ruatoki, the heart of Tūhoe. My world, my universe, te Ruatoki a te tai o Ruamanu. I am te Motoi Kahurangi Harawira. Yes, my name says it all. Te Motoi, precious taona possession. Kahurangi, prized chieftainess. Not my translation, by the way. See Williams Māori Dictionary, pages 85 and 211. I am the child who on my second day in this world was put into my koro's arms before he went into theatre for a very serious operation. And my nanny said to him, "This baby is your reason to live." He survived, and I became his precious taona, his princess. And that is the real story of my name. I would like to proudly acknowledge all my tribes. I am a humble product of Ngāti Rani, Ngāti Rani Nui, my Harawira and Palmer families. Ngāti Awa, Te Arawa, my Paul and Horn families. And last but not least, Tūhoe, my Tepa and Te Akiwai families. I would also like to acknowledge our host, Taranaki, tēnā koutou. My topic is you can choose your friends, but not your family. I am an exception to this rule. My friends are my family, and they represent my past, my present, and my future. When people ask me, who is your family, I immediately think about my parents, my brothers, and my sister. Then automatically add on most of the people in Te Whārua Ruatoki. I have a huge family. I kid you not when I tell you, my hapu hāmua are prolific breeders. In fact, people call us hāmua hiki hiki pepe. Why? Someone always has a baby on their hips or in their arms. One of my koro is world famous in Aotearoa for his horses. He was a horse whisperer before horse whisperers were even invented. Actually, he would swear at his horses a lot, but it had the same effect. His 11 children, that's right, 11, were riding horses before they could walk or talk. These uncles are the best friends to have if you want to ride a horse, go bush, or if you are dying for venison steak and wild pork. They are the hunters. When it comes to the boss of this amazing family, that would be my nan. She is small, white-haired, knows everything and is not afraid of anything. Family is the ultimate to my nan. Anyway, she has yelled at government ministers, armed police when one points at a ganeru during the Tūhoe raids. Our grau when they do something dumb at our marae. She is awesome. I want to be her when I grow up. She is always there when you need her, at our school events, the marae, everywhere. Te Tūru family? Nah, you would not want to do that. Family, family everywhere. But like I said, family equals friends. So my best friends are aunties, uncles, a niece or two, and even a moko thrown into the mix. There is no escaping the family even at school. My parents work at my school. Nans, sister and cousins are teachers, and the rest of the staff are her nieces or nephews. So if my friends and I wanted to play up, we had zero chances of getting away with anything. Zilch, absolutely zero chances. My nana Turuhira taught us, people are in our life for a season, a reason, or a lifetime. Our season friends will grow with us. They will learn with us, and they will touch us in many ways. But like the seasons, we all grow, move on, not always together and in many directions. Our reason friends will teach us to enjoy life, enjoy the freedom to make choices and be able to make changes. They too will move on. My one constant, my rock, is my family. They are always there when I need them, and I know I will never be alone. At the starting of the year, 2 cyclones roared through Ruatoki, completely cutting us off from everything. My family opened up our school as the evacuation centre. They worked together as the Haumaru Civil Defence team. At the heights of the storm, no power, raging gale-forced winds, the river sweeping through our valley, I was safe and warm with my family around me. My people, my family, my friends. So the saying you can choose your friends but not your family, I have such an amazing family, and they are the best friends I could ever want. Thank you.